getting calls. So either you're making outbound calls to people. And so we gave a couple ways where you could use Facebook Marketplace, Facebook groups, Zillow, and you could reach out and call people, but then also putting some ads so that you've got some calls coming in, because those will feel different, and just feel out the two of them. They'll feel different for sure. And then whatever you can get from Privy, that's the next thing, where we can actually target some people and even expired listings that are on there and say, hey, you didn't sell your home. Why do you think that is? Because we're looking to buy. They would tell you, oh, the real estate agent this, and you just unfortunately go along with them, whatever they say. Yeah. Right. It's like, yeah, realtors, they can, sometimes they're not so great, and this, oh, they say, oh, it's the economy. Yep. I understand the economy is a little tough. That's why we've got a different way of buying properties right now. Like, oh, we do? Yeah, sure.